Hey y'all, in just a few moments we're going to be going through a tour of this model home so you can see the rest of this kitchen and the entire home itself. But first, if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by today to watch this video. I greatly appreciate you doing that and taking your time to help support me here. If you could go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well as that bell icon, it'll make sure you're notified anytime I post a video in the future, and you'll be among the first to see the latest video that I've posted. So please go ahead and do that if you haven't already. But who am I? Well, my name is Brock.Bremmer and I'm your San Antonio realtor. Today we are in the community of Willow. This community sits in Converse, Texas, on the northeast side of San Antonio here, and this community here is in the Judson Independent School District. So if you have a family with children that need to go to some schools, there are some great schools here nearby in the Judson Independent School District. Now also, this home, or community rather, is located really very closely to Randolph Air Force Base. It's only about a 5 to 10 minute drive. And then Fort Sam Houston is also pretty close by, but it's a little bit further. It's about 20 to 25 minutes away. So if you're a military family moving to the area, this could be a great location for you guys to choose while you're here in San Antonio. But other reasons this community is great is because it is actually pretty close to a lot of shopping, food, and entertainment nearby. So about 10 to 15 minutes away is a major highway intersection where all of those items sit and much more. There's also a mall pretty close by to that intersection as well. So there's lots of things to keep you and your family entertained and occupied just in this immediate area without having to go very far. So we're about to get into this model home tour, but if you have any questions, please drop them in the comment section below, or even send me an email. I'm going to post it here on the video and it'll be linked in the description below. So feel free to reach out to me at any time. I'd love to answer any questions that you have. But without further ado, let's go check out this incredible home. Alrighty y'all, welcome to the plan 2348 by KB Homes. This two-story home has 2,348 square feet of living space, 4 bedrooms, and 2.5 baths. Here you will enjoy a very open concept on the first floor, as well as all of the bedrooms upstairs and a loft. I hope you enjoyed the tour. Alrighty, y'all, well, that is it for the home tour, but I hope you enjoyed it, and I'd love to hear your comments and opinions on this house down below. So drop those down in the comment section, and I'll be responding to each and every one of those. Now, if you are looking to make a move to San Antonio or within San Antonio, please reach out. I'm your San Antonio realtor, and I'm here to be of service to you. I want to make that move as simple and as easy as possible for you, since there's a lot of moving parts. And if you're also trying to sell your house, that's something we can do as well, but it adds a layer of complexity to it. So reach out, we'll figure out what your goals and timeline are, and we will work from there to make everything happen on your timeline. So my contact information is here, and it's down below in the description, so please feel free to reach out. Now, the summer months are coming upon us, meaning that is the time that a lot of people are purchasing a home and looking to make their move. So competition is going to be high this summer, and with the limited availability of new construction homes, just because builders can't keep up with the demand, and just the limited availability of supplies and materials to make these homes and construct them, I want to get you, on the list and get you under contract for a house, so you don't have to go homeless. Like I don't want that to happen. So that is a valid concern, right, with the decrease in availability of the homes and the higher demand. So let's work together, get you into something that you and your family need and is there for your timeline. So reach out sooner rather than later. Now, that's all I have for you guys today. So if you haven't already, please go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to this video by hitting that subscribe button and the bell icon, and I'll see you in the next video.